P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Maybe look at that.
And that's it.
Then all the trouble started. Do you remember that day?
I don't think I shall ever forget it. That look on your father's face when you realized he'd discovered an anchor's tomb. And then afterwards.
It was never really established what made him crack, was it?
Overwork? Then the excitement?
That was the doctor's verdict.
That's what it was. What else could it have been?
I can't get out of my mind what father said to me the other day.
Really good balls into the box. Yeah, but I think he's been well defended by Hanlon and Hendry whenever it's come across. They've made sure they're tight, and they're marking the man and not the space. And clearly you have to do that because of the danger that they pose.
Nice first touch for Joseph there, and it looked pretty useful too. He almost got Carlet Darkus involved. He was certainly interested.
Let's get out of here before that cop comes back. I saw him. Hey, I said, Dolly, I thank you, Governor. That little girl of yours has got a lot of talent. It's a crime to waste it. It is. A wicked crime, Governor. Good night, Tom. Good night, miss. Hey, don't forget our date on Friday. Their private lives, he didn't miss a trick.
Enrique is a blackmailer.
You bet your life he is. Annie, I think we're beginning to get somewhere.
Now, what right you have?
I'm only you for questioning on Charles Smith.
You're lying.
That deposit box you gave open, I shall need the contents for evidence.
No.
I'm sorry, sir. The lady isn't the owner of the vault box. I can't permit it.
I'm ordering it.
No, sir, it can't be done. It's against the law.
I am the law.
Look, sir, let me get the manager. I'm sure he can straighten it out. I can't take the responsibility of opening that box myself.
Now in the spotlight. And I'm in the winter. Outside, on the farm, doing all the jobs on my own.
Come on, rise and shine. If I gets him in,
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.